In today's video, I'll show you on how you can turn on and off the keyboard backlit on the Acer laptop and change the backlit color or the keyboard RGB effect. First things first, you want to navigate through your Acer laptop and then you want to look for the FN key right here. This is going to be the function key on your keyboard or on your laptop. And basically inside, you then want to look for this specific button. You will be able to see this icon right here on your keyboard. You simultaneously want to press the FN button and these two buttons right here. Now in our case, there's going to be the minus button and the plus button. If we press the minus button, it will decrease the brightness of the RGB color. And if we press the plus icon, it will then turn it on and increase its brightness. Now to finally change the backlit keyboard RGB effect, you want to press your Nitro Sense button, which is going to be this one. Now inside this page, you then want to click on the keyboard icon, and inside this page, we can simply adjust the keyboard lighting effect. So in my case, I'll then click on the dynamic option, and then we have different presets like wave, zoom, and more. As you can see, I have managed to change the RGB effect. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.